Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Kareem and this is Girls Code. If you are a returning subscriber, I'm super happy to have you here. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. This is Girls Code. We talk about girly stuffs, beauty, lifestyle, self-improvement, motivation. Now let's do this. Today on the show, we are going to be talking about building your career. Things that you need to know when you're building your career. The fact that there is no shortcut when you're building your career. It is more like a motivation stroke self-improvement talk. And I had to put this together because I came to my realization that I'm actually building a career and there are just some things that have made me to stay in this for the past 8 years. I have been improving from one part of my career, one angle of it, to this particular point that I am in. So that is why I was just like, you know what, for my girls out there, for you all that follow this talk show, let us actually talk about things that can make you to last in the labor market, things that can help you to build a sustainable career. Let's do this. There is actually no shortcut to having a career in this world today. If you want to be a successful person, you have to actually start from somewhere. And the first place that I believe you should start from is educating yourself. You have to read books. You have to go to school, get a course, get a mentor, get yourself educated. And educating yourself is actually going to take a while. There are some courses that's going to take months, some will take years, but it is a never-ending process. And in order to be valuable, in order to keep progressing in whatever field you decide to be in, you have to be very knowledgeable. The more education you have, the more experience you have, that is the way you're going to be credible in that particular field. You're going to have more say, and that is going to make you grow faster, and in turn maybe even give you more income. So like whoever you see right now, wherever they are, all the top women out there, they started from learning something, from being good at something, be it being a public speaker, being a great politician, being a good artist in music, being a makeup artist, whatever it is that you want to think about. All the successful women started from learning. So if you want to be successful today, the first thing you need to fall in love with is learning. Learn. Second thing you need to do in order to actually pass the test of time and still stay valid in a sustainable economy is surround yourself with people that are great in your niche. Get mentors, get teachers, get coaches, get friends, people that have serious value that you can interact with, that would help to build your mindset, your mentality, your craft. All of those things, they are very necessary. You cannot even take them for granted. Like, why would you do that? If you're listening to this right now and you're feeling a little bit maybe bored or something, then it means that there's something terribly wrong with your self-improvement journey. You need to be in love with stuff like this. You need to be in love with having these types of conversation that would actually create value for you. This is the type of energy you should surround yourself with, the type of network of people you should surround yourself with. People that are very deep in value, people that are obsessed with self-improvement. That is the only way you can pass the test of time. Because quite frankly, when you get into whatever niche you want to get into, you're going to realize that you can't grow in a twink of an eye, except if you're doing something that is not sustainable, that is just going to come very fast and go very fast. But if you want something that is going to stay, that is actually going to stay and have this strong solid foundation, then you have to grow it. You have to pass the test of time. Doing that, you would need to surround yourself with a very strong support system. learn stuff and have people that can always support you with whatever it is that you have. They can help you. That is one thing that you need. You can't even take that away from yourself. The next thing I'm going to emphasize on is having connection with the higher version of yourself, having something that is greater and bigger than you, whether it is God, whether it is affirmations, whether it is the universe, where whatever it is that can give you this higher sense of purpose, you need to build a connection with it. For me, it is having a relationship with God. So the earlier you build a relationship with God, the more sustainable whatever niche you want to take will be. Do you get what I mean? So it is time for you to actually start being spiritual, start developing yourself from the inside. Because to be candid, building the test, passing the test of time is not even a funny thing. It isn't funny at all, and it takes you to have something that is deeper than you, higher than you. And the only thing that I know that is higher than you is a spiritual being, something that existed before you and is going to exist even when you're gone. This is very, very necessary for your self development. Another thing that you really, really need to put at the back of your mind is patience. Whatever it is that you set out to do at the moment, you have to learn to think long term and stop thinking short term, because thinking long term is, when you're going to be able to be patient, you know that, oh, this thing that I'm putting my energy in is actually not going to work ASAP. Maybe I'm going to see results ASAP, but they are not going to be the desired results I want to see. The desired results I want to see is going to show up in few years. You have to start thinking long term. Think about goals that you can achieve in years, that is going to make you put your head in the game and get yourself successful. Ladies, I cannot overemphasize the power of harnessing that thing that is within you, that patience, that strength that is in your heart. And really, I'm so happy that this platform exists, that I can actually just come on here and ginger you and put in that vibe in you. If you did not have that vibe before, it is time for you to have that vibe. I have come to the end of this Saturday's motivation, this Saturday's Girls Code Talk. I am not going to go any further than this, because this is just like what came from my heart to tell you all about. Like, I just wanted to tell whoever is out there trying to get something that you just have to calm down and think long term, and surround yourself with valued people and keep learning. You're going to get there. Every successful woman out there has her own story, and you need to get your own story too. So everything happening to you right now is part of your story. And just get rid of perfection and do what you can do. I wish you all the best. If you like this speech, make sure you drop a comment, let me know what you think, and bye bye.